As we approach the holidays, I wanted to share this quick and easy meal you can prep at home. I'm thrilled to share this exclusive recipe with Untitled Travelers, especially those that might be away from home, so we can bring a little Thanksgiving to you. So we're thinking holidays, we're thinking Thanksgiving. Yeah, normally it's turkey, but honestly, I love chicken. And that is gonna go with some sweet potato puree. And we're gonna use some leeks and some Brussels sprouts to get some greens in there so it's nice and healthy, it's balanced, but super tasty. So we're gonna peel some sweet potatoes. We're gonna peel our beets as well. We don't need a lot. We might need just a quarter of this. And now Brussels sprouts. These are tiny. You can get bigger Brussels sprouts, larger ones. We're just gonna cut them in half. And one of my favorite ingredients, ajo, garlic, in here for the puree and for the pan. So we'll just smash them a little bit so we can open them. So these are our ingredients. Let's get to the good part. Let's go cook. We need to cook our vegetables for that puree. So beets and sweet potatoes go in. We need water just to cover. We're gonna put it over here on the side. First, see it's already smoking. We're gonna add our leek to the cast iron. And then now we're gonna baste it with a little bit of rosemary, oregano, a couple of cloves of garlic. Okay, our chicken is at 160 degrees, so we're gonna take it out. It's gonna keep cooking. It'll get to 165, it'll be perfect. So is our leek. This is nice and beautiful. We're gonna cut into it. Final step, in the saute pan, Brussels sprouts. They go straight in. And we're gonna braise them with a little water. Time to make our puree. We have our vegetables ready to blend. Okay, we have our leek, which is nice and charred all over. We're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna use just the center, the heart of it. Now to this, we're gonna spread some blue cheese on. All right, we ready to plate. Let's get our chicken, our leek, no sprouts, and we're done. Thank you all for tuning in, and whether you're across the country working or close to home with friends and family, we really appreciate everything you do. Happy holidays.